My name is Mathieu and I'm from Quebec, Canada. I was raised in Longueuil on the south shore of Montreal. I study in physics engineering and my concentration is in power electronics. As such, I have done courses in geophysics, optics, electronics, mechanics, programming, etc. I have worked at the robotic laboratory of Laval University for 1 year, and now I'm doing a project in machine learning in the Dialogues Agent and Multi-Agents Laboratory. Besides my field of study, I enjoy different subjects. I've done courses in first aid and I'm now a certified national lifeguard. I also enjoy studying filmmaking and I have done more than 10 short films. Making films is a great experience and will be useful if the crew were to appear in documentaries, which I think will happen. I know myself really well, so I don't think I will learn anything surprising. I want to participate in this mission as I believe the experience to be enriching. I enjoy survival exercise and scientific research, so the opportunity to do both simultaneously sounds like an exciting challenge. Another reason why I want to participate is my belief of the importance of this mission, as I believe the first manned mission will be in the upcoming decades. For example, Inspiration Mars wants to send a couple to fly within 100 miles to Mars in 2018. A trip that will last 501 days. Mars One wants to start sending humans to Mars in 2024 and let them there indefinitely. Also, the USA, Russian, and European space agencies are planning manned mission relatively soon. Therefore, the research done by the Mars Society, such as this mission, will be crucial for those organizations to plan their trips. Lastly, even though it's not the primary objective, I hope we can do interesting observations about the Diamond Island environment. I am looking forward to meet the other members of my crew and see how our relationship will develop, since they will be the only human contact I will have for 1 year. I am fairly confident that we will develop a great relationship. I am dreading the break from my family, but as I have done this before, I know it will not stop me. I have studied in Spain for 10 months and then I have traveled in Europe for 2 more months. I realize I miss my family, but the call for adventure is greater. There are no specific moments that come to mind, but I have had some difficult courses at school, for example. In this moment, I simply tell myself, do the best you can, there's nothing more you can do. That might be a naive view, but at least it helped me to focus on the problem at hand instead of the outcome probabilities. Space exploration is a human endeavor that has a lot of benefit. It allows us to learn more about the history of our solar system and improve our scope of awareness of the larger universe. Space technologies have had a slew of benefits back here on Earth. Notably, it improved the waste management technologies, breast cancer scanners, and water filters. I think the next step of our exploration of the universe is to send humans to Mars. After the Moon, Mars is probably the easiest place we can go, Mercury and Venus environment being more extreme. Moreover, Mars has some interesting similarities with Earth. It has seasons and periodic ice age. Mars is also likely to have contained life in the past, so that makes it particularly interesting to study. If we succeed in colonizing the red planet, humanity as a species will increase its survival odds in case of extreme catastrophes on Earth. I believe we can prevent this, but it's still worth becoming a two-planet species. I would like to end this video by sharing my hopes that sending individuals to Mars will inspire people to study science and technologies, which will in turn improve humanity's well-being and life expectancy.